Welcome back. We are in the final stage of the session. We are in section 7, which is not really a main session, but I want to give you some piece of advices when you're planning to start your career in SAP. As I told you, there are over 25 modules. There are over 6 industry sectors that SAP supports. So obviously this is a place for confusion, right? Even after me putting what you have to choose, the human mindset will always stay with something else. So I would say before starting any course, you must have a very, very strong plan. Learning SAP is a great thing for you and for your career, but you have to have a very, very solid plan before taking the SAP course. The second point that I want to really pinpoint here is make powerful decisions. Once you have decided to learn SAP, do not ask for second opinion as SAP is very vast. Let me give you an example. Now you're going with a freelance trainer and asking him like, hey, can you teach me SAP material management? But actually the trainer would be there and he knows SAP ABAP. So what he would do is he will say like SAP material management is not good in the market. There is no job opportunities. So ABAP is very good in the market. Why not you learn ABAP? Right? So this kind of things should not happen when you're discussing and when you've discussed and you've decided to learn a particular module. So you have to rely upon your decision instead of the one you're talking to. So your decision is powerful and make powerful decisions and never hear what others tell about it because you've already made your research and you've come to this point, right? Third, so get free counseling. As I told you, you can always reach out to me by filling a form in the description. I'm very much glad to meet new students and new people. And I will try my best to counsel you best. And I will suggest you some good course. And the final thing is analyze and act. Always analyze the domain or module before you enroll, like the one you just did. So where to analyze? Because you've told me everything and where do you want me to analyze? That's a good point, but it is for your career. So when you're learning a course, make sure you do a thorough search in Google or just go to a job portal, open the portal and search for the particular module you're intended to learn. So search for what is the opportunity level there in the for that particular module. So all these factors will make you to choose your decision in a comfortable way. I guess I've been very clear with all my points, but if you have still more questions, you don't hesitate to reach me. I'm happy and glad to help you. Stay tuned, stay safe, and meet out with some beautiful contents soon. Thank you.